Walter Mbakwalo, a 34-year-old senior state security aide, has been convicted of 17 counts of fraud by the Harare Magistrate Court. Mnangagwa spy arrested for fraud. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzim ai vanhu vachisangana neila rinoshoka iri vanotambira vachiti he was found guilty of impersonating the officer commanding operations for the CIO Southern Region. Between early 2023 and September 2023, Makwalo deceived Simon George Lee, a 40-year-old Harare-based farmer, by claiming he would facilitate the arrest, detention, and the prosecution of Maurizio Arezio and Gabriel Arezio, who were allegedly involved in the fraudulent league of 170,600 US. Makwalo falsely stated that bribes were necessary for police officers, National Prosecuting Authority officials, magistrate, and the judges to ensure the case would rest in Lee's favor. Believing this claim, Lee paid Makwalo a total of $21,300. The Harare Magistrate Court sentenced Makwalo to 24 months in prison. However, 18 months of the sentence were suspended for 5 years on the condition of good behavior, and the remaining 6 months were suspended on the condition that he performs 210 hours of community service. Tomashkwana buda panapa aiwa nyugwana wakumana wachiti aiwa mukomana uyu obatiwa aiwa dei naudze fraud yosukuna kuti vakomana apa zvinhu zvavari kuita aiwa for the community munyika yeZimbabwe. Some innocent people they are suffering at the expense yevakomana vari nepolitical influence. Tudze mafungiro imi vari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna kuno section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.